Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, Happy celebrations of life every day. According to the angels, holidays are approaching us, but each day is a holy day. All days are holy, according to our angels, and that is true. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, PSEDMS City. Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, is my first book. Among my 22 books in Tagalog, kumusta po kayong lahat? Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa ating pong lahat, sa inyong lahat. Ito po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSCD, na nagsasalita po sa likod ng video na ito. In English, this is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, speaking to you over the video. New York City School teacher here in the USA, who I am, author, writer of 22 books, university professor, journalism teacher, and school paper advisor, outstanding teacher, if I could mention. And all my 22 books you'll find worldwide at Amazon, outskirtspress.com, and all online stores globally, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, and the second website is juanitagutierrez.com. I am inviting you all to visit my two websites as well. How are you all? I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy, and safe. And welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. And today we're going to discuss examples of literature. In Tagalog, halimbawa ng panitikan. First syllable ha, second syllable lim, third syllable ba, fourth syllable wa. Halimbawa, halimbawa. The accent is in the third syllable. Halimbawa, that's example or examples, whether it is singular example without s or with s, plural, it all means the same word. Halimbawa. Of is nang in English, nang, of in English. Panitikan, literature in English. This is how you pronounce it. Bigkas in Tagalog. Panitikan. First syllable pa, second syllable ni, third syllable ti, and fourth syllable kan. The accent is in the first syllable. Panitikan. That's how you say it. Panitikan. And literature in English. Now, there are several examples of literature. Number one is tula, poetry in English. Tula. The second syllable la has the accent. First syllable tu, second syllable la. The accent is in the second syllable. Tula, poetry. Second, epico, epic in English. Epico. First syllable e, second syllable p, third syllable ko. Epico, epic in English. Third is salawikain or sawikain, proverb in English. And this is how it is pronounced. Salawikain, salawikain. First syllable sa, second syllable la, third syllable wi, fourth syllable ka, and fifth syllable in. Salawikain. The fifth syllable has the accent. Salawikain. Salawikain. Or sawikain is proverb in English. And the fourth is talumpati, speech or oration or declamation. Talumpati. First syllable ta, second syllable lum, third syllable pa, and fourth syllable ti. Talumpati. The third syllable has the accent. Talumpati. Talumpati. That's speech or oration or declamation in English. The fifth one is alamat. 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 That is legend in English. Alamat. First syllable a, second syllable la, and third syllable mat. The accent is in the third syllable alamat, alamat, legend in English. And the sixth one is passion, passion. First syllable pas, second syllable yon. The accent is in the second syllable passion. That is passion in English, and example is Passion of Christ. We will give examples in the next video for all of this. Examples of literature or halimbawa ng panitikan. And the seventh one is tayutay. Tayutay. Figure of speech in English. First syllable ta, second syllable you, third syllable tay. The second syllable has the accent tayutay. Tayutay. That is an English figure of speech. Figure of speech. Tayutay. And the eighth one, there are more, but I'm just giving you some because our board is teeny tiny. Number 8, bugtong. Bugtong. First syllable bug, B-U-G, bug. Second syllable tong, T-O-N-G. The accent is in the second syllable, bugtong. 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 And that means riddle, singular, with S, plural, riddles, the same word as bugtong. Bugtong. So that's how it's pronounced, or big cousin Tagalog, bugtong. And I hope that you learned something today. And by the way, you will notice my pointer. This is a pen that has my book as well. I entitled Secret Miracles of Therese, Jude, and Blaise, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita Gutierrez, on sale at Amazon and all bookstores. Thank you all so very much for watching. See you all again. And I would like to give my love, light, and gratitude to all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. First of all, to our I Am God presence, present in our own heartbeats. God is inside of us. And I would like to take this opportunity to give a shout out to all my wonderful subscribers. I continue to add the list. First of all, to William Charity Advocacy and William Samar TV. Please go to his channel because he supports the needy and the poor Filipinos. He gives gifts and free haircuts. So if you would like to help him in his charity, you could go to William Charity Advocacy or William Samar TV. He always have live shows every day. And thank you also very much for your support, Mr. William Charity Advocacy and William Samar TV. Thank you as well to Abby the Explorer and to Enchanting Queendom. Thank you so very much. Tony Duran, thank you so very much. Adventure with Hasley, thank you so very much. And Eric Kusi, thank you so very much. Walking in Nature, thank you so very much. Kuldeeps Kumar, thank you so very much. And Namer Music, thank you so very much. And Cleaning Spaces, thank you also very much. And more as I gather in the list and the algorithm, as you know. And thank you all for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ, love and light to us all. The word Christ means unconditional love. Enjoy your days always. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. And once again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year 2026 and moving forward. Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, happy celebrations of life. And Speak Tagalog, a basic primer by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. For all those who are asking what those letters are, Bachelor of Science in Education, I graduated at the University of the East in Manila, Philippines, together with all of my brothers and sisters from elementary, high school, all the way to our college graduation. Thanks be to God and to my beloved parents who worked so hard to make something beautiful. We studied at the University of the East, private university, from elementary, high school, all the way to our college graduation. My dad was a USA stenographer typist for so many years. He worked as a excuse me, please, executive secretary in the municipal mayor before he went to America to be a stenographer typist at the USA airport. And when my dad retired, he was twice an elected leader. My mom is also the first woman ever elected public official in her hometown, a top-notcher as well as my dad, and proposed and founded the only high school there where I taught as a new teacher as well. And I was the youngest university professor as well. At the university where I graduated, MSCD, Master of Science in Education, I graduated at Fordham University here in Manhattan, New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years as well, and more in my 22 books. You'll find at Amazon, OutskirtsPress.com, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, JuanitaGutierrez.com, Juanita Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD.com. Thank you all so very much for watching. See you all again, and happy learning Tagalog language for travels, friendship, and diplomacy. Happy learning Tagalog. Besides your own. Isn't it exciting? Take care. Have a nice day always.